Hey guys, it's Paul. We are talking Basecamp today, Basecamp 3. I'm going to give you a full introduction, training tutorial on how to get up and running with Basecamp. We are in the middle of 2018, so if you are probably 2020 watching this, you're probably watching the wrong video. Have a look in the link below. I will have linked to the latest Basecamp video. But if you're around 2018, 2019, you're going to be in the right spot to continue. So Basecamp is a project management, team communication platform. It's all about productivity. It's all about getting your info, getting your team in one place, inviting clients to projects, getting projects completed on time, on schedule, hopefully making you some money. It's a really cool tool. It's really easy to use. It's intuitive. It makes sense. And we're going to dive into it and show you everything you need to do. I've got the app open here. I've got a to-do list of everything I'm going to show you. Some other things might jump in. What I'll do in this video, if I can, is I'll put in the information below, I'll put a time link to where this chapter starts. We'll call these chapters, I guess, and I'll put a little link for you to be able to jump to exactly that point, because I know you might come back and go, when were you talking about creating a team? Well, that's at 15 minutes and 12 seconds or whatever, right? So I'll try and put a link, but we're going to go through all these things. I'll put other info at the end. You never know. We'll get right into it. Cool.